Today I'm going to show you how to create an audiobook using the Jimlet text-to-speech converter. Here we are in my Downloads folder. This is where I placed the converter and extracted it. We have the same folders and files as before. Jimlet TTS is the main application. I also added a folder containing the Wizard of Oz book. As you can see, we start with Chapter 1, The Tornado, and it continues through all chapters up to Chapter 24, which ends with an M. I am so glad to be back home again, with everything in between. Now I'll open the main folder and click Jimlet.exe. The main window opens. I click Open Some Files, go into the Wizard of Oz folder, select all chapters, and add them to the main window. Now everything is listed here. Next, I switch to the Settings tab. Quality is set to 5. Female voice 1. Language is English. Output format is MP3. I'll leave all other settings as they are. Now we're ready. I click Convert. The conversion has started. You can see the progress indicator, and the files are being processed. While this runs, let me show you my hardware. Actually, one moment. I'll start a timer so we can see how long the full conversion takes. Okay. The first chapter is already finished, so let's preview it.
Chapter 1. The Tornado. Dorothy lived in the heart of the vast Kansas prairies with her Uncle Henry and Aunt Em. Uncle Henry was a farmer, and Aunt Em was his wife. Their house was small because they had to carry the lumber to build it for many miles by wagon. The house had 4 walls, a floor, and a roof. It only had one room.
Sounds good. About this machine. My CPU is an Intel i7 11th generation. My GPU is Intel Iris Xe, built-in graphics. I don't have a dedicated NVIDIA card. And as you can see, the conversion is still running. I'll skip ahead and come back closer to the end. Okay, now we're getting close. 3 chapters left. Let's preview something from the middle. For example, Chapter 12, The Search of the Wicked Witch.
Chapter 12. The Search for the Wicked Witch. The soldier with green whiskers guided them through the Emerald City. They finally reached the gate guardian's room. He unlocked their glasses and returned them to a large box. Then he politely gave the gate for Dorothy and her friends. Which road leads to the Wicked Witch?
Looks good. And now we're finished. Let's open the very last file. Chapter 24.
Chapter 24. Home again. Aunt Em had stepped out of the house to water the cabbages when she saw Dorothy running toward her. "My sweet baby," she exclaimed, hugging the little girl tightly and covering her face with kisses. "Where in the world did you come from?" "From the land of Oz," Dorothy replied seriously. "And Toto's here too. Oh, Aunt Em, I'm so glad to be at home again."
Everything is done. Now, check the timer. It took about 16 minutes to convert the entire book. We now have a complete audiobook with all 24 chapters. Each chapter is several minutes long. Some are up to about 18 minutes, so this is quite a lot of audio content. And that's it. We've created audiobook. All of this conversion happens locally on your computer. You can now copy these audio files to your phone, tablet, or any audiobook player, or keep them on your PC and listen to them directly. Each chapter is saved as a separate MP3 file, so it's easy to organize, rename, or combine them if you'd like.